Right now, as we speak in early February 2026, the tech world is in a state of shock. For decades, we have been trained to look at March as Apple's spring window. But the rules just changed. Leaks from the heart of Wetzlar to the supply lines in Shenzhen have converged on a single, impossible date, February 19th. This isn't just a rumor anymore. It's a shift in the very fabric of how Apple releases products. They aren't waiting for the spring thaw. They are launching an assault on the mobile market right now. If you were planning on buying a new iPhone, a MacBook Air, or even a smart home hub, you need to stop everything. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Apple February 2026 event, or more likely, the most aggressive press release week in history, is about to drop products that will make your current gear feel like ancient history. The headline of this February revolution is the device we've been waiting for since 2022, the iPhone 17e. But forget everything you thought you knew about budget iPhones. The E no longer stands for economy. According to leaked internal memos, it stands for Essential Pro. Apple is reportedly killing the old SE design language forever. The iPhone 17e is rumored to be a slimmed-down, ultra-modern powerhouse that finally brings the dynamic island to the entry-level price point. But here's the kicker that has the industry reeling. It's expected to ship with the A19 chip. Not a hand-me-down processor from last year, but the cutting-edge 2-nanometer silicon found in the flagship 17 series. Apple is done playing nice in the mid-range market. They are putting the power of a pro workstation into a device that's expected to retail for under $600. In a US economy where every dollar counts, the 17e is designed to be the only phone 80% of the population will ever need. But the 17e is just the opening act. The real holy grail of this February window is the M5 MacBook Air. We all saw the M4 Air arrive in early 2025, but the leap to the M5 is different. This is the first consumer-grade laptop built entirely around Apple Intelligence 3.0. Leaks suggest that the M5 chip features a radically redesigned neural engine that is 4 times faster than the M4. Why does that matter for a thin and light laptop? Because the MacBook Air is being repositioned as a local AI hub. Apple wants you to be able to run complex video edits and AI generative tasks entirely offline. The M5 Air is the tool that makes that possible. And for those of us in the States who are tired of the same 4 colors, rumors are swirling about a sky blue and a deep forest finish that will make the 2026 lineup the most visually striking in years. Now, let's go into the living room, because Apple is about to drop a product that has been in the works for over 5 years. The Apple HomePad. This is the rumored 7-inch smart home hub that combines an iPad-like display with a high-fidelity speaker system. For years, we've used iPads as makeshift home controllers, but the HomePad is different. It's expected to run on HomeOS, a brand new operating system designed specifically for the 24/7, always-on lifestyle. It's mountable, it's magnetic, and it's intended to be the brain of your house. Imagine a device that uses Face ID to recognize who is walking into the kitchen and automatically pulls up their personal calendar, their preferred music, and their specific smart lighting presets. This is Apple's bid to finally kick Amazon and Google